1, 2, 3. Go live.
Hello, everyone. Hello. Welcome to the live app and chat session with myself, Renee Roberts, and Chef Ricardo.
Hello, everyone. I'm here.
So glad to have you today, Chef Ricardo. It is a pleasure.
100%. Thank you so much.
Yes.
Yeah.
We're trading spaces today, and you're going to be showing us, a few selected recipes, something that, someone can even cook tonight if they wanted for a nice, meal.
Definitely.
Right? So, I'll introduce yourself a little bit, let those know who are watching, know a little bit about you. You are.
Yeah, definitely. Okay. As I mentioned before earlier, Chef Ricardo. My name is not really Chef Ricardo. My name is, Ricardo. But that's my middle name. But Chef Ricardo Cooking is me right here. It's a pleasure, being on the show tonight to show you guys a fantastic and an amazing recipe where you guys definitely can make at home. Not only that, it's going to be really healthy and also delicious. All right. So basically, my name is Chef Ricardo. I'm from Jamaica. We all know the old patois talking by you me talking. But don't get me wrong. Come from that beautiful, fantastic place, Jamaica. A place, a land of love. Alright? I'm just spreading the good, beautiful news, the real good Jamaican dish all over the world, the uttermost part of the earth, and all these things. You can follow me, guys. As I said before, my name is Chef Ricardo. You can follow me also on Instagram, Facebook, my YouTube channel. I'm there spreading the beautiful, wonderful news. The Jamaican dish, the Jamaican food, the healthy dishes, wherever you want to put it. But my name is Chef Ricardo, and I am here tonight to show you what you can make in your kitchen at home, and everyone will be happy. My name is Chef Ricardo. Welcome back again with Chef Ricardo in the kitchen.
Yes. Yes, it's such a pleasure once again. Definitely Caribbean, National Caribbean Cuisine, YouTube sensation, also National Caribbean Cuisine chef, you name it. And
Definitely.
It's a pleasure, to follow along with you sometimes.
Yep.
And so what are we going to be, what you going to be making today? What are you going to be showing us today? To make?
Definitely, as I say, by going through the whole thing, and I say, when I come across the whole thing, and I put it on the plate and on the table, I said to myself, definitely, I want to share with you tonight, guys, a beautiful, fantastic coleslaw recipe. We know that on a Sunday, a lot of people like to have something fantastic with their dinner. A lot of people like fried chicken, macaroni and cheese and all these things. But I'm going to be showing you how to make a beautiful, fantastic, fine dining style coleslaw recipe where you can also, your family, everyone can just enjoy it and smile with a big smile on their face. Not only that, I'm going to be giving you a beautiful green juice to boost your immune system, a healthy green juice which you also can drink, during the week, whatever, anytime, in the morning, in the evening, even snack, whatever time you want to have it. But the beautiful thing again, and also I have a fantastic healthy salad with some garlic salmon. Mwah! You're gonna love it.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Absolutely. All right, so let's get started with the first thing on the menu.
Well, all right. So first thing I want to share with you guys today, I'm gonna be doing you a lovely coleslaw recipe. I'm gonna just kick off it with the coleslaw right over here. But to be honest with you, earlier I was going through everything and I said, you know what, I'm gonna do simple, prep up some of my ingredients. And the first thing what I did, I just grated some cabbage, because we all know that you can grate your cabbage at home. Very easy, very, very, very easy. You know what I mean? On the grater you got all different sizes, but there's a specific sizes on the grater which you can just test it out and see which side suit you for you to use at home in your kitchen. Alright? Now, it's the same thing. I have roughly about 3 carrots right here, and I'm using roughly about, say, about quarter of a cabbage. Alright? And I'm going to be using probably about 4 carrots right here, and I'm going to just pop that also right here over the
nice.
That beautiful, lovely. So what we're going to do, just a second guys, just to make you guys can see exactly what's going on. It's just good to wear gloves.
So you prefer to grater it over slicing the carrot?
Yeah, I to be honestly, in no modern days, you know what I mean, back I know grandma old school style is the best, but in these modern days now, you know what I mean, people are a little bit intent to just grate what they have at home and make it a little bit more easier and handy. Because if you're a person who work 9 to 5, this is what you have to do. You understand? You're not going to sit down when you got kids and have things to do at home to cut up carrot, cut up cabbage, you know what I mean, in the fine style like grandma style. But grandma style is the best. Don't get me wrong.
Absolutely.
100%. I love my grandmother style, you know what I mean. She take time and, you know what I mean, cut up our cabbage fine style, you know. But anyway, we giving you, you know what I mean, the modern days style. Yeah, the modern day style, guys. But anyway, you know what? You're gonna love this one. It's gonna be fantastic. So you wanna just combine the cabbage and the carrot together, just like this. Beautiful, you know, simple. And the beautiful thing about this coleslaw recipe, there's a secret recipe with the coleslaw which I want to share with you. Alright, so basically that already cut up. I got some spring onion which I'm going to be using. Alright, so I'm going to simply cut up some spring onion. Because you what happen now, it is good to have a little extra vegetable also into your coleslaw recipe. Alright, and I'm going to be using a medium sized white onion. So what you want to do, some people they intend to grate it, but I'm just going to simply just cut up mine into some small dices.
Right.
Very, very tiny, not too large or chunky. You know what I mean? You want to, when you're eating it, you just feel a little thing in your mouth. You know what I mean? Not too much. So that's the onion which going to push off that little bit of thing. Alright? Now, as I see, that's the white onion. Beautiful. Don't get me wrong. You can also grate it if you like. But today, don't grate it today. We're going to simple cut it up. Alright? Once you cut up your white onion, you just want to simple mix it together with the cabbage, coleslaw, with the cabbage and the carrot and the spring onion together. Alright guys? Beautiful. Now, I got some peppers. We're going to use the red, green, and gold pepper. And this one is bell pepper. We all call it bell pepper. You know what I mean? Some people call it sweet pepper. Some call it, you know what I mean? All different kind of name. You know what I mean? In Jamaica, they would say bell pepper. Or probably sweet pepper. You know what I mean? But, you know, a lot of people call it bell pepper. Bang, put that straight over there. And also, we got the red one also, which we're going to be using. So I'm just using roughly about a quarter pieces of the peppers. Alright guys, beautiful coleslaw, and 100% you guys will love this at home. But the thing is, you can also put sweet corn in it, but I'm not going to put any sweet corn in mine today. I'm just going to keep it simple, you know what I mean, because you know, the simple that you guys can see exactly what I'm been doing. You can put also celery in it. There's a lot of things you can go in it. You can put apple if you want also. Alright, so but we just keeping it simple today. No excitement.
What are some other things that they can put in the coleslaw to kind of spice it up a bit?
Alright, we will get right to that point. That's the secret. So you have to sit back and relax and, you know what I mean, watch what's gonna happen right here. Alright? Now, so as you can see, that's the beautiful, we got the peppers we got the cabbage, we got the carrot, we got the white onion, we got the spring onion, and that looks amazing. Hopefully you guys can see it. This is exactly what I'm talking. Look at the color. You know what I mean? You don't want the carrot to overpower the cabbage, and you don't want the cabbage to overpower the carrot. You just want everything to be perfect. Not really say you're going to get everything perfect, but you have to try your best. Alright? Now, what we're going to do next, we're going to put in a little bit of a black pepper. Alright? A little bit of black pepper, not much. So that's going to bring in a lovely flavor to it also. Now, the secret is, a lot of people doesn't like to use salad cream. But to be honest, salad cream definitely give your coleslaw a beautiful creamy look, what you're looking for. Alright? So this is just like some eye measurement at the moment. Alright? So if you're at home and you might say, Chef Ricardo, what you doing? We want to know what you're using. This is like eye measurement. You know what I mean? If you're at home, you just use the eye and just keep adding until you get that, you know what I mean? That perfect what you're looking for. Now we're going to put in some beautiful mayonnaise right here. Alright? So, the mayonnaise which I've been using, you can use the light mayonnaise and you can use the regular mayonnaise. It's up to you which one you prefer. Alright? A lot of people intend, when they're going on like weight loss, they intend to use like light mayonnaise because that's much better for weight loss. Alright? That looking good.
Oh, nice, nice. Okay.
Beautiful. No.
Yes, because I know a lot of people like to eat healthier these days.
I'm telling you. So that's one of the secrets on it. Now what we're going to do, we're going to also put a teaspoon of mustard. Alright, so the mustard will definitely give you a little thing on your tongue when you're eating it, you know what I mean? When you know,
a little kick, right?
Yeah, just a little, not too much. Alright? Secondly, what we're going to also do, I have some dry chili flakes, which you can also put on it. Alright? Beautiful. That is fantastic. That's what you're looking for. So what you're going to do also now is simple. We're going to just mix it together and see where we are. Alright? We just want to just mix this together. And then I will give you a little... Keep watching, guys. Don't go anywhere, because there's another secret which I want to share with you. And you guys definitely can do this at home, alright? Beautiful. Yeah, this is a secret. I never share my secret before, but I decide today, tonight, at this moment, I will definitely share it. Oh my God. This secret, I'm going to share it to you guys. You're going to love it. Alright? Now, as you can see, it all depends how you like your coleslaw, to be honest. You know what I mean? A lot of people intend to love it creamy, and a lot of people intend to love it like not too much, but I'm just gonna add a little bit more mayonnaise and a little bit more also salad cream. Alright?
Let me ask you a question.
Yeah,
I know some people like to put raisins in their coleslaw.
Definitely, as I say, you can put raisin, you can put apple, you can put celery inside of it also. You can put sweet corn. Yeah. But hold on, I'm going to show you exactly, because like how tomorrow going to be a beautiful day, Sunday. You know, a lot of people will be doing like fried chicken and...
Well, Saturday.
Saturday, yeah. Yeah. And
prepared, right?
Yeah.
For Sunday?
Yes. Yeah. Alright, so basically, a lot of people like to do... Just a minute, I'm going to show you exactly what's going on right here.
Alright.
So,
let me zoom you in, let me zoom you in.
Zoom it up. This one gonna be fantastic. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna put our, no, one on the first, guys. Before we even put on it, let's put the secret one in there first. Alright, so this is a secret. Alright, we got some honey, which we're going to be using. That's the secret. Alright, first of all, you can use the two kind of honey. You know, we have one with a lot of sugar. Be careful of that one. You want to use probably organic honey. You know what I mean? A lot of people intend to use brown sugar and white sugar, but a lot of people doesn't know you can use honey, or you can use a little bit of syrup. So we're going to put roughly about a teaspoon of the honey inside of it. And honestly, that will bring in a beautiful flavor to it. You don't have to. As I said before, a lot of people put in sugar, brown sugar, and all these things. Alright? So once you put that inside of it, what you want to do, let's get up a plate right over here. And then, you know what I mean, you get yourself prepared ready for the next day. Alright? Because, you know, tomorrow, grandma gonna cook rice and peas and fried chicken and, you know what I mean? And probably the daughter will be making some beautiful coleslaw. Alright? So, that's what we're talking about right here. Now, what we're gonna do is simple, you know, just to make the family happy on a special day. This is what you can also do. You just like, you know what I mean, just decorate your coleslaw recipe table plate.
Right.
Yeah, and make it look really nice with some apple. Alright.
Nice. I think the apples will give it a really nice touch.
Oh, Matt, I'm telling you.
Yeah.
The apple definitely 100%. So right here I'm just simple going around the plate with some decoration of the apple. Alright, then you will see what's gonna happen at the end of this. Okay? Alright, now look at that. Beautiful and amazing. So right here I have one apple left, which I also can simple just cut off a little piece of the apple. Alright, and what we're going to do next is just simple sprinkle it around it like that. Alright, if you got some extra red pepper, you can also put on it if you want for color. Alright, a little bit of black pepper on top of it.
A little bit of black pepper, okay.
Yeah, on top of it, you know.
Right.
Nice one. On a Sunday, you just want to make sure the table look really nice. You just make a nice, lovely tomato rose and put on top of it to make the family happy. I'll tell you something.
Right.
Every Sunday, you know, the family normally come together and they will make a beautiful Sunday dinner. I know that 100%.
Yes.
You know what I mean? So what you want to do is just make a nice little rose.
Okay,
and
so we can do a little bit of decor.
just like this on top of it. Wow, beautiful. Oh my God. Mwah. That is fantastic and an amazing, guys. This is just lovely. The whole thing is just an amazing, guys. You got the apple, you got the pepper, you got the onion inside of it, you got this. It's just ready to go down in your tummy. Let's dig into it. Not right now. We're gonna do something else. Alright. Yes.
I'm telling you, that looks good. Before we move to the next dish, right?
Yes.
I want you to tell the people, you know, how you started out. You know, encourage. I think it's very encouraging when I, you know, read your article.
All right.
And
yeah,
it was just, you know, talking about how you started. You know, like washing dishes, very small. Small,
yeah. I know.
Going to school and
yes,
and pushing toward your goal and your dream. You know, tell a little bit about, you know, that back history.
Well, the history, it touched a lot of people, just like what you're talking right now. It's touching a lot of people right now. Basically, as I say, you know what I mean, grew up in Jamaica, you know what I mean, we never grew up in this fancy luxury, you know what I mean, or in a first class, you know what I mean, everyone have to fight through their struggle, come up and then grow, you go to school, you do what you have to do. But to be honest, you know what I mean, starting out from Jamaica, and never forget, I went to school, went to the college, do my little cooking course, same way in college and all bits and pieces. But when I finished all of that and I went to start to work, you know what I mean, growing up to being a working hard man, to be honest, this was my goal, you know what I mean, I wanted to get really higher and higher and higher in chef world. I never forget when I get my first job, I went to the hotel, the manager, I think the manager was going to make me do some, you know what I mean, prepping or anything. He put me into this kitchen with about 3,000 plate and 3,000 pot. And I have to wash pot, wash plate, mop the floor, clean the stove, and clean and clean and clean and clean and clean and clean until up to till today I'm still cleaning, but in my kitchen. But anyway, cleaning same way, and you know what I mean, as I say, I kept the faith. I never give up, you know what I mean, because you know, you're always, you know what I mean, you're growing up with your grandmother, your parents, and you learn a lot of things. You keep it in your head, you know what I mean, you don't make that, you don't lose that, because that's the goal, you know what I mean. Work very hard. Once you work very hard, the end of the day you can see it. All right, just as most people would say, the end of the tunnel, there will always be a light. Don't forget that. All right, so I work very hard. Yeah, I work very, very, very hard, and you know what I mean, as I say, today I can say the end of the tunnel, there was a light. Not only say there was a light, you know what I mean, once you believe in God and put your trust in God,
absolutely,
honestly, there is always a light at the end of the tunnel. And you know what I mean, God never leave us or forsake us. All right. No, coming to Britain and you know what I mean, living in this fancy world, it wasn't easy. You know what I mean, it's the same journey again. It's like you start over. Come here, you have to wash pot, you have to clean, you have to do this.
You went to London because of school, right?
Repeat again.
And you went to London because of school, right?
Yeah. I come here and I got to, you know what I mean, college and bits and pieces, and I used to work. I used to work in the school. When I used to work in the school, I used to work as a head chef and all these things. But before I reach a head chef, to be honest with you, I have to wash a lot of pot and plate again.
Right.
To be a head chef. Yeah. So you know what I mean. It's like you leave one thing, but you're still coming to another thing. You think you're not gonna you're gonna get better. It's like you're fighting. But at the end of the day, at the end of the tunnel, there's a light. As I said, you have to use that. You know what I mean?
Absolutely.
So today I can say to myself, say, I worked very hard over the years, but at the end of the day, I'm not going to be praising myself. I'm going to give God thanks and praise. It's not me.
Absolutely.
So I just want to encourage anyone out there right now who working very hard. Don't give up. Keep the faith and put your trust in God. That's the most important thing. And believe. You have to believe. Believe there's a God. Believe there's God love you. And you know what I mean, work very hard. Just don't give up. You work very hard and do not give up and keep the faith. That's the most important thing.
Everyone, work hard, do not give up, and keep the faith.
That's the most important thing.
Words of encouragement from Chef Ricardo.
Yes.
So,
Yeah.
Chef Ricardo,
yes.
moving forward, what's the next thing on the menu?
Well, you know what happened? Let's put the coleslaw one side. Wow.
Alright.
We was gonna dig into it, but not now. To be honest, you know, earlier I did some salmon. Alright?
Right.
This is some garlic salmon. Beautiful garlic salmon. And to be honest, start coming to the new year, a lot of people intend to eat a lot of vegetables, a lot of salad, and a lot of things. Alright? And to be honest, I drink a lot of green juice and eat healthy. You know, when they touch the new year, that's why a lot of people say, oh, this is what I want to do in the new year. So today I did a garlic salmon, and it was fantastic and amazing. But the thing with this garlic salmon, I got some beautiful, here it is. I got some lovely salad, which also I made right here.
Right.
All right, guys. It's not complicated to make this beautiful salad with the salmon. It was.
So what's in the salmon? What's the ingredients in the salad?
All right.
What you make?
Okay. Well, the salad is very easy. It's just like you can go to your local supermarket and see a mixed leaf. You know what I mean? Mixed leaf. And I have some celery, and I have some green olive. I got tomato. I got cucumber, and I got avocado, black pepper, chili, and I have some, one of the first. I need to remember the name of this one, because I don't want to give you the wrong thing, alright? To be honest, I made this one today. Okay, jalapeno. Yes! Jalapeno. I put some jalapeno in it for just to give you a little bit of spice.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, spice it up a bit.
Yes, and I also put some black pepper inside of it also. It's beautiful.
Okay.
A fantastic salad.
It looks so, yes.
Yeah, you know, as you can see, it's very easy salad. I didn't make it too complicated, you know what I mean? If anyone would like to have the recipe, you know what I mean? As I say, you can write down the recipe. It's very easy. It's very, very, very easy and also delicious. So basically, the salmon is a really easy, simple salmon, delicious. Doesn't complicate it to make at home. As you can see, you know what I mean? It's just garlic and a little bit of spice and some fish seasoning, and you know what I mean? Bring up a little bit of flavor to it. It's very easy and simple, guys. But as I said,
That looks so good.
we can always make you some beautiful recipe, guys. Honestly, you know what I mean? But with just to show you how you can make yourself a lovely coleslaw just now. So we want to do something really fantastic and an amazing also. We want to make a green juice. You know what I mean?
Yes, bring it, bring it, bring it.
We want to make a beautiful green juice for you today, guys. That's, you know what I mean? You got one on the first. Let's put this one right over here that you guys can see exactly what's going on. This is not a normal thing right here. It's very, very delicious. All right.
Level.
All right. All right. Now, I have, and I'm going to have to use my blender, and there's a little bit of noise going to be making. So please bear with Chef Ricardo. All right. So what we're going to do, I got celery. So if you want, if you're at home and you want to make yourself a lovely green juice, say to yourself, okay, over the Christmas and over Thanksgiving Day gone, I was eating a lot of meat, a lot of rice, a lot of, you know what I mean? So you want to have yourself some green juice and all them things. So get yourself some celery. All right, celery. So right here, guys, please write down 3 celery sticks I've been using right here. All right.
Okay, so this is the recipe for the green juice.
Yeah.
Who's watching?
All right, 3 celery stick I'm been using. 1 apple. All right, guys. To be honest with you, this green juice we are making right now, I want you to take some time and do some research and give your audience to make them know that this green juice is mean a lot to your body. This boosts your body and build your immune system, and also very good for weight loss. Honestly, all right. Especially with the healthy salad. That healthy salad, we didn't use any olive oil or no cooking oil or nothing like that. We just roast it off in the oven. So this the salad right here is healthy, and the juice is very, very healthy, and the salmon is also healthy. All right. So basically, 3 celery stick, 1 apple. All right. And what you want to do, you want to cut up your apple into some small pieces. All right. I'm gonna show you this juice right here, guys. Very, very, very good for you to drink at home. All right. So you cut up your apple and you put it straight into your blender also. All right. Very easy one. Not complicated.
Okay.
Not complicated, and it's not very hard to make at home. All right.
Right.
So it's just something where you can wake up in the morning and make. You don't need to make it at night. All right. Beautiful. All right. Now, to be honest with you, I got some. Where it is? I got some water with me. Oh my. Here it is. Okay. Yeah, I got my water right here. So this is my water. I'm gonna put just a little bit of water in it, roughly about 1/4 cups of water, to free up the blender. All right. Then, but the thing is, if you have a juicer machine, you don't need to do that, because the juicer it suck out everything and put it one side and give you the juice. Now, look what I'm doing, guys. I'm gonna make a little bit of a noise, but don't worry yourself. Just turn on your phone a little bit. Nice one.
Blend with the green juice.
All right. Now, the thing is, because I'm using a small blender, so what you want to do, you want to blend a portion first, and then you blend the rest.
Okay.
All right.
All right.
Beautiful.
So we have celery, 3 celery stalks. We have apple chunks. Chop up the fresh apple. We have ginger in there. Water.
All right. Nice one.
Okay.
Yep.
And the apple is gonna bring the sweetness.
One, oh my days, I don't even need to go any further.
Yes.
So you know exactly what I'm doing then. Alright.
Right.
So basically I'm just simply removing the skin from the ginger.
Okay.
Alright. A lot of people say they doesn't remove the skin from the ginger, but me personally, I just remove the skin from the ginger. Alright.
Yes, I prefer the skin to be removed too.
Yeah. Alright. Now, to be honest, I'm gonna get either lime or lemon. It doesn't matter what you want to use. It's up to you.
Okay.
So I'm gonna be using lime right here. You can use lemon, but it is better for you to use fresh ingredients.
Right.
Because that works much better.
Right. So let me ask you a question. When you make this green juice, do you ever mix some other kind of juice in there, like a little cranberry or orange, to kind of, spruce it up a bit?
Well, you can put no. You can also put that if you want, but my opinion and my research, what I did on this juice, alright, it is better for you to keep it real and natural like this. Instead you're gonna, because to be honest, you know those cranberry and all those things, they had chemical to them.
True, yeah.
Pineapple, all of these things, there is something inside of it to preserve it. Alright, just a tiny little bit of thing they may put into it to preserve it for 3 days. That's why they say anytime you open it, you have to use it in 3 days.
Right.
Alright, so it is better for you to just keep it natural, real and organic style like this right here. Alright, so what we're going to do, we're going to just blend the rest. Alright.
And this, you can have this in the morning, for lunch, at night, it doesn't matter when you have this, right?
Anytime you can have this one. But the best, to me, to what you should do with this one, you can have it anytime, but it's better for you to have it, like, you see, in the morning, it is good for you to drink a hot cup of lemon tea or green tea or some ginger tea in the morning, and it's good to do to start that. But try not to have any sugar, any honey inside of it. Just keep it organic style, alright? Real.
Okay.
Now, then after, you can drink a green juice, and then after you drink a green juice, you can also get a bottle of water and put some lemon slice in it and bring it to work, because you're working in the office and probably there now a 54 building high up in the sky, so you want something to dissolve you up there and keep you up there, you know what I mean? Yeah.
Right.
Alright, anyway, so we're going to blend the rest. Alright, so there's a little bit of noise going to make. Nice one. Beautiful. Alright.
Yes.
Now, to be honest with you guys, a lot of people like to drink it with the fiver. Nothing wrong drinking it with the fiver, you know what I mean, because it go inside of you. But as I said, sometimes you cannot drink too much of the fiver. You know what I mean, because that's going to your urine and all. There's a lot of things going on inside the body. So you have to be careful. Alright? Now, so what I normally do sometimes, I normally strain it. Run it through my strainer.
Okay.
Alright. Then you will see exactly what I'm going to do. Alright. Look at that. Fantastic.
Okay.
Wow. That is exactly what I'm talking about.
That's the old school way.
Alright. No, the whole well, sometimes you can, if you know me, our grandmother probably get a thing like a dish towel and squeeze you out. You know what I mean?
Yes.
Alright.
But the new school way now is to use the juicer.
Yeah, it's a juicer.
Right.
Yeah.
The juicer.
Yeah. So this is the second next to your grandmother other way, and then the juicer now is the yeah. But to be honest, you're gonna see what I'm talking about.
So what do you do with the all that fiber and the trashy part? You know, after you make the juice, do you use it and to cook with, or what do you use it, chef?
What you can also do with this right here, I'm gonna show you something. All right. So basically, you take a teaspoon of it. Don't get too much, cause you know what I mean. Especially men shouldn't drink too much of the fiber because that's going back into your system and go certain places. You can drink it, but not keep drinking a lot of the fiber. You get what I mean? You can't,
Right.
yeah, because of your urine of men. But to be honest, I normally, this is what I normally do. I normally take back another tablespoon of the fiber and put it back into this and mix it around.
Okay.
Alright, so now the rest of the fiber, what you can also do with it, if you want, you can put it into a tub and bring it to work, and you can eat it during your lunch break. Like yeah, you can get like a low fat yogurt, like a fat free yogurt. Yeah, fat free yogurt, and you can mix this with it and have it with some raisin and some almond nuts and bits and pieces. Just hold on it first. I give you the full recipe if I want to share it. All right. So now, what you can do? So basically, this is your green juice. Show you.
Gotta bring out the fancy glass for this
Yeah.
one.
All right. Just to show you guys what's going on. All right. Because this is when you're treating yourself at home.
All right.
So secondly, yeah, you have a thing named chai seeds. Very good, yeah, 100% natural superfood. Very good for weight loss. Very good for the body. So what you can do, just put a little bit into the glass.
Okay.
And you drink it. Alright?
Okay.
That's part one.
Definitely be a good cleanser for the system.
Alright, that's part one. Part two is the fiber. So basically, if you have, where's my plastic container? Okay, I can't find it. I will show you my plastic container. So with the fiber, what you can do, you put it into another glass. Alright, this is the fiber. Alright, and what you want to do, you want to get some mixed nuts with like, you get some mixed nuts like, we got like raisin and centana in a lot more stuff in it.
Right.
And you put it inside of it like this. Get some pumpkin seeds. You get some pumpkin seeds. And you just put a little bit of pumpkin seed also inside of it. Alright?
Okay.
Now, where's my chai seeds? You get a little bit of chai seeds. And just a little bit of the chai seeds inside of it. Now, to be honest with you, you have so much things you can use, man. You have this thing, Sweet Freedom is a chocolate shock for weight loss. You can use this.
Freedom?
Yeah, Sweet Freedom.
Okay.
It's for weight loss. If you're interested in weight loss, salted caramel. This one is this one is a drizzle. All right, you can put this one in it. It's very good. It's for weight loss also. All right.
Okay.
You can put this one inside of it. Secondly, you can don't use the honey, because some of these honey come with a lot of sugar. All right. So you can use like syrup, where you use for, you know what I mean, because syrup is better more than the honey. All right. And what you can do is this, and you have it at work during your break, if you're a person who are interested in weight loss and all these things.
Okay.
And then right over here you have your natural green juice over here, where you can also drink. Instead of instead of you're gonna drink the green juice down in, although it is better for you to eat the vegetable more than blend it sometime, but you can have a green smoothie, you can add some spinach to it and all these things. But this way, with the fiber, if you don't want to get rid of nothing, this is another treat where you can do for the weekend, and you just eat it just like this.
Wow, that looks really, I never even thought of mixing
Well, this one is no, it's Chef Ricardo green. This is Chef Ricardo recipe.
We're gonna figure out a name right now. What are we calling it?
No, seriously. It is amazing.
It looks good.
It is Chef Ricardo fiver. No, seriously. Right here.
And
Just
what did you say that the weight loss, the chocolate thing that you put in there? What you said it's called again?
Sweet Freedom. SWEET. And then FREEDOM.
Alright.
And it's salted caramel. SALTED. And then it's CARAMEL. And then is a drizzle. DRIZZLING.
Okay.
I'm telling you guys,
for
if
everyone out there who doesn't know the Jamaican alphabet, ZZ is ZZ.
no, but this one I'm telling you.
Yeah.
This one, guys, I'm telling you this. No one never know this one. This is amazing. The fiver right here is like a pudding.
Okay.
It's like a pudding when you're at work and you want something to munch on. If you're interested in weight loss, I'll tell you something. There's a lot of people doesn't know. When you make a fiver and you strain it, you don't have to throw it in the bin.
Right.
So basically, I come up with the idea because I have the video right now. I come up with the idea to say, yes, guys, this is what you can do with your fiver at home or at work.
Yes.
Because when you're at work and you're on a weight loss, so you eat something in the morning, something in the evening. You know when you touch like 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock in the evening, you want a snack to munch on.
Very true. That sounds like me.
Yeah.
All the time.
So basically, this is some fiver right here which you have left over from your blending of your juice. Just don't throw it in the bin. Just get some nuts and stuff and throw it in it and mix it around. Only the way, unless you don't allergic to any of these nuts. You can get some fruits and just put it inside of it and mix it around and make yourself an evening snack. Just like this.
That looks so.
It's very easy, guys. Very. No one didn't know that you could do something like this. I'm telling you.
I'm telling you, you're a genius with the recipes.
There is no.
So
yeah.
This mixture here for those who might have recently entered, right? This mixture that you just made here is what Chef Ricardo did was he made a green juice blend, right, that we can eat with the beautiful meal that he just showed us.
Definitely.
Your Sunday dinner tonight, whatever it is, he just made some awesome green juice from celery, apple, ginger, water, and some lime. And then what he did is he used that trash afterwards, right, that he strained the juice from. He used that to make a really delightful, yummy looking, healthy snack, and you put a mixture of nuts in there, right?
It's a dessert, you know?
Right.
Yeah.
Beautiful. But that's perfect because right after they have the dinner,
yeah,
right, you can just eat that. You don't need to scoop out any ice cream or anything.
Nothing like that.
Recycle.
No, nothing like that.
That looks so good.
Nothing like that. So basically, there's nothing waste. Nothing waste right here. Everything go right back inside of your system. And you know what I mean? As I said, this is just like a healthy dessert. Instead of you're going to have ice cream, as I said. You're having a healthy dessert. So guys, honestly, this is just perfect for you at home. Honestly, the salmon with the salad, the green juice to wash it down, and then you have your dessert. What more do you want at home? Tell me.
We have our coleslaw.
Oh, that for Sunday. Alright, the coleslaw now is just like a little bit of treat on the Sunday. You know what I mean? So if you had Sunday, your mommy cook some fried chicken and some you know what I mean, beautiful jollof rice or whatever they cook, you know what I mean, you can have some coleslaw. Yeah.
Right.
So sometimes you can have a treat, you know what I mean? Weekend treats.
Awesome, awesome. Yes, yes, yes. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, so
this, I'm telling you, I'm definitely going to be making that.
Yeah, here it is. No one.
And the thing is that there's so much variety that you can make out of that one dessert that you have there, because whatever juice you make, right?
Yeah.
Use that same trash. If it's pineapple mixed with celery or something.
Anything you make, you can make yourself back a dessert from it. So nothing. It's like you're doing a recycling right here.
Right.
Nothing doesn't waste. Nothing wastes.
Right.
Nothing go in the bin. Everything is right here. And to be honest, it tastes amazing, because I did one the other day and I use the syrup and it was really amazing with all of the nuts them, and I got raisin in it. It's so fantastic. I put some strawberry in it. I put a lot of things in it. So the guy was he was saying to me, Chef Ricardo, nothing do not waste. Right here.
Yes, yes.
Honestly.
Wow, awesome.
So
you have any other tips for us, you know, when it comes to cooking, when it comes to thinking of ideas, you know, sometimes on the fly, sometimes it's hard to probably think of something. Not everybody has the creative imagination to whip it up, you know, in the kitchen.
Yeah.
Some tips you can give to our watchers to eat more healthier and to think quick, you know, instead of, because, you know, especially coming from the Caribbean, you know, if you're born in the Caribbean, rice, you know, not even just the Caribbean.
Yeah.
It's a national thing.
Yeah. I know.
The first go-to.
Yeah.
Right, which is not the healthiest thing, right? Or maybe pasta, you know, sometimes, which is not the healthiest.
Yeah.
So what are some other recommendations? Because, you know, usually we're the first to kind of run to that, you know, or bread or something.
Yeah. Well, to be honest with you, we all know that the most of the Caribbean people, these are the most, we born come see it, and, you know what I mean, we born come see our grandparents, our mama and our dad doing it, but, you know what I mean, things and time has changed 100%. We all know that. Everything is changing so fastly, so rapidly, so we have to work with the time, alright? Now, to be honest, if you are from the Caribbean, if you were born in Jamaica like myself, I'm from Jamaica, and you know what I mean, I've been learning over the years more and more that healthy eating is very good, because it's what you put inside of your body show on the outside. Alright, just like a car. If you bought a new car, you're gonna see it on the outside. If you have a whole car, you're gonna see it on the outside. Okay? Alright. Now, to be honest, is the only thing I would say with most of us, we need to just cut down on oil. Using a lot of oil, like vegetable oil, even olive oil, even coconut oil. Because you can cook without using none of these things. Alright?
Right.
Second, and we all know that there's a lot of the Caribbean people, we intend to use a lot of seasoning and all these things. You know what I mean?
Right.
Nothing wrong using your seasoning, because you still have to use the seasoning to get a little bit of flavor and taste, and you know what I mean, and all bits and pieces. I'm just giving you a little bit of tips from coming up to where you want to be into the weight loss section, alright? But as I say, nothing wrong using your seasoning at home, you know what I mean, because I have a lot of seasoning in my cupboard right now, alright, because you need, but also you have to use a lot of herbs, you know what I mean, not only using a lot of seasoning, you need to mix it up with garlic, spring onion, you know what I mean, like coriander, like parsley. All of these herbs works really well in your cooking also, but we are not from a lot of Caribbean people don't intend to use a lot of herbs neither. You know what I mean? Then we use the spring onion and garlic and the thyme and a lot of scotch bonnet pepper. We all know that we cook with a lot of that, but we need to cook with a lot more herbs. You know what I mean? A lot of herb. And secondly, cut back on the oil and eat a little bit more healthier. That's the only thing with Caribbean people right now at the moment. Because most Caribbean people, when they're walking on the road, it's two things you may see. very rare you will see some person right now. You know what I mean? You look at them and you say, okay, I'm not judging anyone or anything, because I'm not the person to judge anyone. But you know, a lot of people may say, oh, Chef Ricardo, I have a big stomach and I want to get rid of my tummy and all this and that. What can I do? What can I eat? What can I do? You know what I mean? I never have this and this come there. You know what I mean? That,
Right.
you know what I mean? It's, as I said before, is what you put in show on the outside. Alright? If you're eating healthy, it's going to show on the outside. If you're eating good,
True.
you're going to show on the outside. Now, if you're at home and you want to cook, alright, there's thousands of things. That's why I say I'm going to be doing 1 week meat-free eating. No meat at home.
Okay.
Alright?
Okay.
Just for 1 week. So if you are interested, please join Chef Ricardo for 1 week. No meat.
Okay.
Alright? It's just going to be bare vegetable. Alright? So if you're at home, like Monday, like Sunday, weekend, you know what, you want to treat yourself for something lovely and nice over the weekend. You want to eat some probably fried chicken, you want to eat whatever. You just want to give yourself a weekend treat. Alright?
Right.
On a Monday, we all know that a lot of people like to leave leftover food. Yeah? Try and give the kids the leftover food. Give the kids we all know that you're working 9 to 5, but them got the kids have the energy if they run out that when they're at school or them playing football, they have the energy to kick it out. So what you can do is give the kids the leftover food. Go in the kitchen and make your husband something lovely and healthy and nice. There is thousands of things you can make. Cabbage soup,
Right.
vegetable soup. With a touch on vegetable, there is so much things. The pasta, nothing wrong. You can have a little bit of pasta, but 95% of it must be vegetable. So basically, the 95% of it, while it kills the pasta, that means it doesn't go with a lot of pasta. If you're eating any kind of food, try and make 95% of your food be vegetable and see what happens. 95%.
Okay, that's a good tip.
Yeah, 95% be vegetable on your plate. Alright? If you notice on my plate, then is 95% of it is just vegetables. The other 5%.
I see that plate again, Chef.
Alright. If you notice.
Show the plate again.
Okay. 95% of it is just 2 little pieces of salmon. And I could cook potato, I could cook rice, I could cook so many different things to go with this. But I said, no.
Right.
It's better for you to have a lot of vegetables and, you know what I mean, some lemon juice and, you know what I mean, 2 lovely pieces of salmon, and you're good to go with a lot of celery. Alright?
So good.
And try and eat like with bread and all these things. You can eat yourself with a couple of slices of bread, nothing wrong with that. But if you eat wheat bread, whole wheat bread, they got that. They even have all vegan bread, which is even more healthier, and all these things. So nothing wrong with eating those kind of bread. You know what I mean? They just go over the budget and try to eat too much. So
Right.
you know what I mean. And I want to tell you something. You know, you can eat 3 meals a day, and you still eat healthy, and still lose weight and still look nice. But it's how you do it. First of all, yeah, it's how you do it. First of all, you have to cut back on oil. Get rid of junk food and get rid of all of the fatty food, fatty meat. Because you know a lot of meat come with a lot of fat and all these things. Try and get the good part, you know what I mean? If you can do 3 healthy meals for the day, you're eating healthy and you're losing weight at home.
Right.
You understand? Nothing wrong with eating certain kind of thing. Just try and eat like with the bread. Try and eat whole wheat bread. Don't eat too much, you know what I mean, ice cream. Don't eat, you know what I mean. On a weekend now, you say to yourself, you want to give yourself a treat. That's why you have weekend treat.
Right.
You know what I mean. Monday to Friday, you try your best and eat a lot of healthy stuff. Eat a lot of vegetable. Drink a lot of green smoothie. Eat a lot of, you know what I mean, fruits and all these things. You know what I mean. And cut back on some of the junk food. And just treat yourself. Look after yourself. Be healthy.
Let me ask you something, Chef.
Yeah.
Transparent, right?
Yeah.
So to be transparent, right? I'm a snacker, right? I love to snack.
All right.
50% of the times it's healthy. 50% of the times before it was 100%, it was not healthy. Now I'm like 50-50, right?
Yeah.
Because I
sweets.
So it could be right. It could be a cookie. It could be some chocolate sometimes, right? So if you're used to that, right? How do you now? I've partially weaned myself off because I love soda. I love soda too, right?
Okay, so you
like they say when you have a habit, right?
Yeah.
Like because many people fast, right? So you could do a fast. They usually say for 21 days, right? You get a habit after 21 days, right? So whether you're fasting spiritually or you're like on a diet fast or something like that, to those who's watching, that can definitely help. No matter what the purpose is, whether it's for spiritual and you implement a food fast, or if it's just food so that you are on a specific diet for a certain amount of days, that can help. So that definitely helped me with soda cravings, right?
All right.
But if a person used to sweets, what do you recommend? Do you recommend say for example, like how you made the green juice, right? Do you recommend that for a person to wean themselves off of the sweets to incorporate more natural sweets? What is your recommendation for someone who has that sweet mouth? You know what I mean?
Yeah, I know. I know you have a okay. To be honest, I have a sweet tooth also. You know what I mean? But to be honest, if you're going to any supermarket or any shop, and you tell yourself that okay, I'm gonna try and cut off a sweet things. All right. Lentil. This one is lentil. Sweet chili flavor light. I don't even. No. I want to give you this one. This one I have a little bit of. All right. To be honest, if you are a person who love sweet stuff and you want to cut off a sweet things, to be honest, 100%, I'm gonna be honest with you. You know what I mean? Cause I know you're. You know what I mean? You're not a baby. You're a big person. You're a big person,
right.
And you can look into yourself and see, you know what happened?
Absolutely.
I have to look in myself and see where I am. And I have to stop do this.
That's true.
Okay?
That is true.
Yeah. So you have to look in yourself and say, okay, alright, you know what? I'm going to have to do this. I'm going to ask my husband. I'm going to ask my girlfriend to help me to cut down on sweet things.
And evaluate your health.
Yeah. So what you need to do now, ask your husband and say to himself, listen now, as from Monday coming, I'm not gonna be eating no more sweet stuff. Don't buy no more fizzy drinks in the house. Try and avoid that.
That is true.
Alright?
Sometimes it's true because when you go to the supermarket and stuff and you look at something and you're like, you know what, I'm gonna leave this alone.
Yeah.
And then you find yourself, you pick it up and then you take it home, you're like, I'm only gonna have a little bit.
Yeah.
And then by the time you notice it's finished.
Yeah, I know. So what you have to do, you have to tell yourself that you're not going to be buying certain things to bring into the house.
True.
Alright? So if you used to buy a lot of fizzy juice for the kids them, start to buy a lot of water. Start to buy a lot of water. Use water to cover everything. Don't get, you know what I mean, you can drink one and done again like a Diet Coke. Because in weight loss they said Diet Coke is one of them what you can have. I think it got something another to do with sin. Because in weight loss they have a thing named sin where they count it by.
Right, I always thought Diet Coke was worse than regular.
Yeah, okay, alright.
Added sugars, right?
Yeah. No, it doesn't have any sugar. Diet Coke. No sugar. Alright. There's a weight loss there's a thing in Britain where they call them Slimming World, because I have a lot of friends who do Slimming World. If you go on Slimming World and you look at their diet, you can see exactly, because I follow their diet, and there's millions of people all over the world been doing their diet. Alright?
Right.
And they recommended one of these drinks where you can have, because they only have a few sins in it, you can have with their diet is Diet Coke.
Okay.
Alright? But I'm not encouraging you to say go and buy Diet Coke and drink it. I would encourage you to go and buy some fruits and like green apple, celery, and buy a juicer machine and bring it home, and you know what I mean, ask who in the house to help you to cut back and sweet stuff. Don't buy no sweet things.
That is a good tactic, because just like when you're working out, right?
Yeah.
Sometimes it's often harder to work out, right? Because then you don't have accountability, right?
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
sometimes when you team up with somebody,
Yes.
right, and you tell them like what you're trying to do, right?
They have to work. Yeah.
What you're trying to do. I'm trying to fix this, fix that.
Yeah.
You hold yourself kind of accountable to somebody, right?
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
definitely for those watching, that's a great tip also from Chef Ricardo to have like a teammate to kind of like support you in that.
Yeah, support you and boost you to do certain things. You know what I mean? You can say to your partner, listen, as from Monday, please, I'm asking you. You know what I mean? It's easy. I love you, but this and that and blah blah, whatever you want to say, please do not buy no more fizzy juice, no more sweets for me. Any amount of flowers or roses all over the world can put on the table with some water, fruits, and vegetables, and you're good to go.
You know what I wanted to ask you too?
Yeah.
What do you think? A lot of people do the water challenge, right?
Yeah.
What do you think is what do you say or think is the recommended? Do you think it depends on your weight or the amount of water you should drink every day? Everybody says 8 glasses, right, a day.
Yeah. What you mean, like for losing weight or?
No, just on a regular. Because you can get your water intake from like other places too.
You can get your weight. Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, you can get your water intake from other places too. Like when you drink tea and things like that, but just as in just like plain water, right? Do you think 8 glasses of water every day is the recommended? As usually you would hear from men.
Yeah, well, that's what the right thing to do is to drink that amount of water, that liter bottle of water every day. That's that's help you to flush out the immune system.
Flush out, right?
Yeah, that help to flush out the immune system and boost up your immune system with some green juice, and also you have with the green juice. But I'm gonna give you a thing where you can also do at home. Chew me here. All right, this yellow powder thing right here.
Is that turmeric? You said?
Yeah. All right.
Okay.
This one, a lot of people may see it, and a lot of people may say, "Oh, I don't like it." But I'm telling you this.
I love turmeric.
Yeah. If you drink this tonight, I'm telling you this. If you drink this tonight at 12 o'clock, that's going to be the last thing you're going to have. Brush your teeth and everything and drink this 12 o'clock tonight. Even your teeth, it can help you to clean all your teeth.
Okay.
All right? If you drink this 12 o'clock tonight, a hot cup of tea with this, put a little bit of ginger and some lemon juice in it. I have a video on my YouTube channel with it too, where I posted a couple of days ago. If you drink this 12 o'clock tonight with lemon, ginger powder or fresh ginger, and a cup of water or half cup of water, and use 1 teaspoon, and drink this before you go to your bed tonight. Drink it for 4 days straight at 12 o'clock at night, and tell me what happened to your body in the next 5 days time. I'm not gonna go any more further with the video.
Alright.
This is a miracle powder right here for your body. It's very good for your body. What it do, it clean out your body.
Okay.
So when you go to the loo, you will see exactly what I'm talking about. Even when you look at
everyone, so those of you watching,
even when you go,
challenge.
Yeah.
Chef Ricardo has challenged us to
Yeah.
try this turmeric cleanser.
This is very, very good for your body. 12 o'clock at night, when you don't eat everything, you drink this and go to your bed and drink it for 4 nights straight, and tell me what happened on the 5th day to your body. You're gonna what you can also do, you can also go and Google and type in and do a little bit of research on it for yourself to see exactly what I'm talking about, because a lot of people have smartphone but they doesn't use it. You get what I mean?
Yes.
They got the smartphone but then doesn't use it. Go to Google, type in what's the benefit for ginger, what's the benefit for apple cider vinegar, what's the benefit for apple, what's the benefit for cucumber. Then do not use the phone. then they have this expensive phone, but they don't use it. They keep it in their pocket or make their friend to see it. You need to use your phone.
It's also good for inflammation, right?
Yes, you get your phone, you use the phone, you do a lot of research, what's good for your body, what you can eat, what's healthy, and all these things. Do a lot of research on yourself and all these things. That's what I do. I did that night upon top of night. I sit down in my chair and I do a lot of research. What's good for the body, what you can eat, what's healthy. Listen to other people in the world. You know what I mean? People from India and all these people, they like to use this in their cooking and a lot of different kind of spices in their cooking. But this one, do a research on it on the health side, worldwide health side, and tell me, come back and tell me. Very good for you. And when you go to the toilet, you will see exactly what I'm talking about, because I prove it for myself. But don't get me wrong, every one of us body is different.
Yes,
alright?
yes.
Some people body may take it, some people body does not take it. But hopefully everyone body will take it. Do the challenge with Chef Ricardo. Tonight I'm gonna be if you want to do the
challenge, turmeric, ginger, lemon, right? Turmeric, ginger, lemon, and 1 teaspoon of turmeric, ginger, lemon, and half a cup of hot water, right?
And drink it for 4 nights straight. Because every night I will be putting a video. From tonight I'm gonna be doing one for you guys. I'm telling you.
So make sure you guys go to his YouTube channel, Chef Ricardo Cooking, to see this recipe amongst many, right? And I'm also in a minute I'm gonna show them your website.
Yes.
Where they can go.
Definitely. So basically tonight at 12 o'clock I will be posting a video on my YouTube channel where you can watch this one what I'm doing. And I will drink it to show you guys. That you guys can see. This will gonna be for 4 nights straight. And I'm telling you, this is amazing. It works really miracle inside of your tummy when you drink this at night. Because people all over the world recommend this. Say, drink it. It's very good for you. But I'm telling you, I prove it for myself. And I can tell you tonight, if you drink this, you will see exactly. Alright? 12 o'clock tonight.
Thank you so much, Chef Ricardo.
You are welcome.
Pleasure.
Yeah.
Thank you for joining us today.
One of the first. Not only that, I give you another two. I give you another two more tips for your audience that they can also do this at home. You know what I mean? Green tea. Green tea is also very good for you to drink early in the morning on an empty stomach. And also you can drink a cup of lemon tea early in the morning on an empty stomach also. Alright? Okay. And then after you drink that, then you drink a nice lovely green juice. And then you make a bottle of water and bring it to work with some lemon. Alright? Congratulations to you guys. We love you all. And you know what I mean, as I say, yes, that's from Chef Ricardo today again. One more time.
Yes, Chef. Awesome.
Yeah, thank you so much.
I'm telling you, the endless world of recipes on his channel, and it will really kind of inspire you, give you some different ideas.
Yes.
On what you can make. Hey, it takes one day at a time, right? So the more you know, the better, right? To this year, for us to try to get healthier, get in shape, right? And to try to hold ourselves accountable, right? So that we can progress, right? So find a buddy and let's do this thing. Let me share the website with you all, which is Chef Ricardo's website. This is his website right here that we have, chefricardo.co.uk.
Thank you so much.
CHEFRICARDO.co.uk. Definitely. You can check it out. People are just buying up his book. You can see the pop-ups that constantly come here. Someone just added your sweet potato recipe to their cart. This is Chef Ricardo's Caribbean Cuisine cookbook that you can go on there and order. You guys can donate to support his awesome craft.
Yep.
He just has loads of wonderful stuff here. Bread pudding, all kinds of things, yummy going. I know that a lot of people, especially over this pandemic,
Yeah.
have found some new ways. I know personally myself that I definitely found out some new things that I can do. I've attempted some new recipes that came out great from other cultures.
Yeah.
So just continuing to just get into these different things, and I do love the fact that you are sharing more of the healthier recipes with us also.
Yeah.
So that we make it a better habit of ours for those who haven't yet made it the number one or top priority, right?
Yeah, definitely.
So, once again, visit chefricardo.co.uk on his website, and if you can, support and purchase his cookbook. I know you're working on another one, right?
Yeah, definitely. I'm coming with another one soon. Yeah, that one gonna be awesome, man. 100%.
Right.
Yeah.
Awesome. So everybody, enjoy the rest of your day. Enjoy your weekend. Check out the recipe, and maybe you can make a great a new Sunday dinner for this weekend. Thank you, Chef Ricardo, so much.
Yep. We will come back again.
Absolutely. You guys can also follow Chef at Chef Ricardo Cooking on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Is there any extra platform that you want to add to that?
Well, it's just my YouTube channel, my Instagram, and my Facebook page. We all know I have different platforms, but those are my main platform and my website. That's where we all keep the thing going right there. So, yeah, but as I say, you can make your audience know that we will be coming with one more. Just look forward for that one. And we will be sharing a lot more healthy recipes, same way, to keep the audience happy at home in their kitchen and with their family.
Definitely awesome.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. You guys can also follow Xcentric Accessories on YouTube, and you can follow on Facebook and Instagram at Xcentric Accessories. This is the live craft and chat session where we team up and have different guests on from all career parts and that have different arts, different crafts, and being a chef is definitely an art and a craft. So thank you for that.